हेलो एवरीवन। आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है कनाडा वर्क परमिट रूल्स और कुछ मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन मैं आपको दूंगा जो अभी लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स आए हैं। तो आइए देखते हैं कि वो लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स क्या हैं। टुडे वी विल बी सीइंग सम important changes in Canada work permit rules and some more information. Topics covered will be no more cash jobs in Canada, LMIA changes, work permit conversion, flag polling not allowed, changes in postgraduate work permit. So let's start. Canada is focusing on eliminating illegal cash jobs and making the work permit process more transparent and secure. Cash jobs have been a persistent issue in Canada, where workers are paid in cash to avoid taxes and regulations. These jobs are illegal and come with severe consequences for both employers and employees. Authorities have increased their efforts to crack down on illegal cash jobs. This includes conducting raids and inspection across the country. Employers caught hiring workers for cash face significant fines and legal actions. Employees working for cash risk losing their jobs, being fined, and face deportation if they are not legal residents. Restrictions on flag polling. Flag polling is a practice where individuals leave and re-enter Canada to quickly obtain a work permit. This method has now been restricted. Only certain points of entry are allowed for flag polling, reducing the opportunity for this practice. There are now specific days and times where flag polling can be conducted. Changes to postgraduate work permit. International students can no longer use flag polling to obtain a postgraduate work permit. Students must follow the updated application process to obtain a postgraduate work permit. Let's see the LMIA changes. Authorities are now closely monitoring LMIA to ensure they are being used correctly. Employers must prove that the job offer is genuine and that they cannot find a Canadian to fill the position. Work permit conversion. Applicant should avoid using agents or middlemen and apply directly to companies. Ensure that the job you are applying for will still be in demand in the future. तो ये कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन है जो मैंने आपको दी है। और भी लेटेस्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन मेरे चैनल पे आपको हमेशा वीडियो अपलोडेड मिलेगा। सो स्टे ट्यून। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।